Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can unblock someone in Google Chat. So to do so, first of all, go and open Google Chat. And now, after you've blocked them, you can go to settings over here. And now you can see this option, manage block spaces, right above smart reply. Tap on it. And your blocked user should be over here, but if you can't find it here, just go on the search bar on the top and tap their email. Now you can see this blocked message over here. Just try to open it. Go to their conversation options, and right above delete conversation, you can see the option unblock. Just tap on it. And now you have successfully unblock them. As you can see, they're right here on direct messages, so you've unblocked them. So guys, that's how you unblock someone in Google Chat. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.